Conversation at market.
Mom, I'm looking for plastic container. Do you have any?
I have in many size and shape. What kind are you looking for?
The square one, Mom, for food storage. But can also be used in microwave.
I have that. The smallest one is $1 a piece.
How many liter it can contain?
Around 250 cc. I have the 350 cc and 500 cc. Each is $1.50 and $2 a piece.
I'll take the 500 cc, then. Make it 3.
All right.
Conversation at market, Part 2.
Sir, I want to buy some instant noodles.
What flavor do you want?
The original, sir. A box.
A box. Okay, let me take it out from storage.
How much is it, sir?
$8. Can you carry the box yourself?
It's okay, sir. It's not that heavy.
Here is the change.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Conversation at market, Part 3.
Miss, how much is it for a kilo of potatoes?
$1.50.
Can you just give me for $1?
I can't, miss. I wouldn't get any profit, then.
I intend to buy many.
How many kilos?
5 kilos. What about $5 for 5 kilos?
Can't do. $6 for 5.
All right, then. But give me the ripe and nice ones. I don't want anything rotten.
Don't worry, miss, they're fresh, just came this morning straight from the plant.